all of my good days outweigh my bad days. I won't complain. Hey my black best tribe, welcome back to another video. So in this video I have something new to try. Tropical mix. I'm just kidding. Alright, so I'm gonna one store yesterday and I saw these and I was surprised because I've always wanted to try these. And so I have the grape flavor, this is the mango flavor, and I have the fried chicken. So normally it would be me and It's Unique Anna doing videos like this to try new stuff, but unfortunately she's not here, so I guess I have to do it. And I'm gonna keep it here too. Alright, so stay tuned until woo, wow, this is pretty. And this is the grape. It's the grape. This is the grape. And see the container. All right. Honestly, I was looking for a crunch. I was looking to hear a crunch. Not hear no crunch. It's okay. Come see. To be honest, I'm kind of glad I find them, but I'll give it a 5. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Yeah, it's okay. Alright, so this is the mango. I'll try the mango now. Where is the crunch? I'll give it a 5 too. It's okay. Alright, so this is the chicken. Like he's spoken. This is not bad. And it looks like a fried chicken. Some more crunchy egg. Like more crunchy. Like when I bite down pan cornflakes, I shall hear the crunchy cracks. But so far, I rather the chicken one. I'm a bit disappointed with the other two. Skin, me like skin. Me like go peppers. Me go peppers. Clumsy. It is okay. It's okay. Yeah. I'm kind of disappointed. I'm a bit disappointed. So far the chicken, kind of me like the chicken one. They have different flavors, and I think I want to try the peach, and I think I want to try the strawberry as well. So I am going to, I would give it a 7. So guys, as we have come to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please to subscribe. Please to leave a comment in the comment section. And if there's any other video that you want me to do, please let me know. All right. Bye. Thanks for watching. Peace out.